This hairstyle is so romantic, kind of boho chic. Two ponytails, and then with the two ponytails, I've just tonged all of the hair. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide those ponytails into little pieces, and I'm going to put some little end elastics on those sections. Now for the full tutorial of this hairstyle, just become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club. Now look at this. There are all my little ponytails. I'm going to take a hook through, a pin, and I'm just going to hook through the elastic and then pin that into the base. Look at that. There it is. Flip it under and put that into the base. Now I'm going to repeat this over and over again with all of my little pieces, and then I'm just going to start to individualize the hair to however I want. This is a fantastic foundation, so much fun and so easy to create. Again, as I say, for the full tutorial, make sure you become a member today.